Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today I will be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner questions part 80. I request you guys to check playlist. You will find up to part 79 which are very useful for competitive examinations, though these question papers are of previous nature. The number of cells are there in the hen's egg. As you can see to the right side, how exactly the egg looks like. So that is what you have to remember. The cell egg consists of only one cell in it. So this is how what are exactly the layer of the shell is known as, that is layer of the egg is what? Shell. So everything whatever has been given, you can directly go through the parts of them. The removal of a substantial portion of the large intestine of an animal would result in, that is what, reduced water reabsorption and diarrhea. This is what exactly happens. Removal of substantial portion of the large intestine of an animal, that directly leads to this reduced water reabsorption and diarrhea. Blood is classified biochemically as a, we knew that blood is one type of connective tissue. In brain, the site for intelligence, memory and emotions is present in which place? Cerebellum. Please remember the part of the brain: cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. So in this, the intelligence, memory and emotions are present in cerebellum. Next we have the following acids is present in vitamin C. We knew that, we should remember that vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid. Example, we have maximum vitamin C you will find in the citric fruits. So whatever the lemon and all, there you will find the maximum citric acid. The double helix structure of DNA molecule was proposed by James Watson and Francis Crick. These are the two scientists who had propounded the double helix structure of DNA. As you can see, the animal tigon is a hybrid of a male tiger and lioness. This is what exactly talking about animal, that is tigon. It's a hybrid of male tiger as well as lioness. The founder of Ahmadiyya movement was Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, was the founder of Ahmadiyya movement. The Sufi saint who maintained that devotional music was one way of coming close to God was Moinuddin Chishti. The term, if you listen with the Sufi saint, you have to remember the Moinuddin Chishti. He was maintained that devotional music was one of the way of coming close to God. The Buddhist sites has structural architecture, that is Karle is the one in which you will find the structural architecture. Please go through internet guys, you will find the exactly what is Karle. Lothal was used by the Indus people as a seaport. This is what exactly from where the ships have been repaired, and there is a dock as well as a seaport. The philosophy of laissez-faire is identified with, please remember, these are the philosophers of industrialization: laissez-faire economics, ability of economy to function without government interference. Adam Smith, the wealth of nations, free economy. This is what economic liberty, economic progress, no government. This is what exactly you have to remember. The philosophy of laissez-faire is identified with industrial state. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. You can join me on Defense ICT Telegram, and if you want, you can directly go through 800 plus question papers have been given in the playlist. Have a look. It has been segregated into various subject wise. Next we have the earth is almost spherical in shape was first stated by Aryabhatta. So whatever the shape of the earth we have, that is oblated spheroid, but that is in spherical shape. Initially it was founded by Aryabhatta, who had invented the zero. The presence of air cavities is an adaptation of water plants. Please remember, whatever the presence of air cavities is an adaptation of water plants. Amoebiasis is causing dysentery. So we knew that what exactly the amoebiasis, it is a causing dysentery. Acid secretion is characteristic of stomach. Please remember that we have in the stomach pepsin and renin have, these are the main we will find over there in the stomach acid. So acid secretion is characteristic of what? Stomach. As you can see, amoebiasis is causing dysentery. This dysentery is caused by the parasite named as Entamoeba histolytica. So please remember, whatever the amoebic dysentery is caused by what? Entamoeba histolytica. This is a parasite which directly affects your digestion. Found in contaminated food and drinks. Where you will get this? In contaminated food and drinks. The nitrogen in the ecosystem is circulated by what? That is bacteria. Air coolers are more suitable for hot and dry climates. Please remember, whatever the air coolers we have, they are more suitable for what? Hot and dry climate. The Darwin's theory of evolution is natural selection, struggle for existence, survival of fittest, but not the inheritance of acquired characters. This is what exactly to be remembered. What exactly the Darwin's theory of evolution states, that it is a natural selection, struggle for existence, survival of fittest, but not for the inheritance of acquired characters. As you can see to the right side, how exactly the length of the neck had been taken place. It had grown like anything. Electricity is transmitted over long distances by high voltage alternate current because there is a less wastage of energy. This is what exactly the function of the alternate current. This is what exactly how they segregate the current. Electricity can be transmitted over long distances by high voltage alternate current because there is a less wastage of energy in the alternate current. The material used in the fabrication of the transistor is, as you can see, the transistors, how exactly they will be used in the motherboard, as well as there are various places the transistors are used. In that, silicon is used. Electric current in a metal wire is due to the flow of what? That is electrons. Maximum you will find the flow of electrons is maximum in copper wire. The velocity of sound in air decreases with decrease in temperature. So automatically the velocity of sound, what happens? Decreases along with the decrease of temperature. It increases along with the increase of temperature. It is directly proportional to the velocity as well as temperature. The light rays used for eliminating bacteria in test tubes used in pathological labs or ultraviolet radiation is mandatory to eliminate the bacteria in test tubes. Please remember. Next we have the end product of the digestion of starch in the alimentary canal is what? Glucose is the one which is the end product of the digestion of starch in the alimentary canal. Numbers of eyes in an earthworm is what? Here we have the numbers of eyes in an earthworm is, we have the many. So there is no count in that. There are many eyes in the earthworm. The maiden Tirthankara of the Jains. We should remember that we have the 24 Tirthankaras. Among them, Rishabhanath was the maiden Tirthankara, and you have to remember each and every one, which are very helpful for all competitive exams. The great Silk Route to the Indians was opened by whom? Kanishka was the main reason who had opened the Silk Route to India. The capital of Yadava rulers was Devagiri. Please remember, Devagiri is the one which is the capital for the Yadava rulers. The religious sect did the Chola kings patronize, that is Saivism. Please remember, whatever the religious sect did the Chola kings patronize was, they patronized, they prayed, that is Saivism. Tower of Victory, as you can see here, Vijayastham, which is located in Chittorgarh. As you can see to the right side, how exactly the Vijayastham looks like. The supply creates its own demand. This is what JB says, the one. That statement had been given by JB Say. The supply creates its own demand. JB Say. The Indian economy can be most appropriate described as a mixed economy. We knew that whatever the economy system we have in India, that is mixed economy. Thank you guys. This is my mobile number. You can directly call me or message me. You will be provided 2100 PDF of GK and GS. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.